I share. This is just for men shampoo in color. This product probably the by far the easiest way you could color your hair. I'll show it to you exactly. And if you have a, I had a issue like I had a gray hair over here, not all over my head, just over here and over here. So I didn't want to use the whole bottle. So I'll show you if you get this shampoo in color, what would be the best way. You don't have to use the whole bottle because it's a little bit and still you could keep it. So basically one bottle could last you for a long time. So when you get it, open this box, this is how it's gonna look like. This is the shampoo and this is the color. So depending on the color you're gonna get, and it's gonna come with the instruction how to use it, and it's gonna come to the gloves with this packet, right? So basically if you have a gray hair all over your everywhere, then you probably have to use the whole thing. So what do? You open this up, you open it up, you pour it in, and you mix it up really well. You mix it up really, shake it really well, and then it's so easy to use it because see this head right here. So you could put it on this side, over here a little bit, and then use the gloves and just try to get it all over your hair gently, and then you keep it for 5 minutes. Then you rinse it out. You don't use anything else, you just rinse it out because this one also shampoo in it. So built-in shampoo. So basically you don't have to do extra shampoo. So you just rinse it out after 5 minutes. That's the easy way if you get a gray hair all over your head. But if you don't have it all over your head, you just have a little bit here, there, or somewhere, you just want to use a little bit. So if you have a small bottle in home, if you have a small bottle like this in home, if you have it, or you could just take out the gloves from here. If you take it out the gloves from here, and then you could use this kind of like a bottle, okay? So you could take exact the same amount. If you want to take a little bit from here and also a little bit from here, pour it in here, and then you try to mix it up. You just shake it well, or if you have a small bottle in home, you could do that with it. Shake it well, then use the gloves, and then you just take it with your hand a little bit and put it exactly where you need it. Just keep it for 5 minutes, and then rinse it out with cold water, not hot water, cold water. It also has a few vitamin in it too, so it helps you regrow. So this is, I realize it's up to 8 weeks. It stays up to 8 weeks. Depending on your hair grow back, then you see the gray color coming in again. As long your hair is not growing back, it still is gonna be there, the color. The color is really up to 8 weeks. So that would be probably the simplest way to do it because, you don't have to use the whole bottle. And if you have a few, like me, here and there, you could use this bottle for a few months. I mean, probably for 6 months because every 8 weeks, if it lasts every 8 weeks, so think about it. 8 weeks is like 2 months. So like, if you even use it 3 times, that's like 6 months for $1. I have the link in the description box. Again, I always talk about a lot of hair products to help your, hair regrow. And, if you start seeing thinning hair, there's a hair supplement that I really would recommend if anybody lost already 20% or more hair. This is called Folly Growth. I don't know if you see this product. It's been in market. It has a 28 different kind of vitamin ingredient in it, and based on US product, it has like so many health, like B complex, vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, D, biotin, they have so many different. So this is how the bottle looks like. If you get it, you take it, like depend on your hair situation. If your hair, if it's thinning out recently, like you only lost like 20%, so you could just, this is how it's gonna look like. So you take like 2 in the morning after a meal, breakfast, or you could take it in the evening 1. So basically you take 3. But if your hair situation is not that bad, you recently slowly thinning out your hair, then you could take 1 in the morning, 1 at night, in the evening time. That's perfectly fine. This is by far, it's like a vitamin supplement. It's like it's not an also, it's everything is natural in there. You could read, when you get it, you're gonna see read the label, everything, the vegetable and all kind of nutrition you need for your hair. It's all in here. 28 different ingredients in here that really help you, and you don't have to worry about putting something. You just take it 1 in the morning, 1 in the afternoon, or you take 2 in the morning, depending on your hair situation, and you're gonna see your hair grow thicker and fuller rapidly. So which is, definitely healthy. Just for men, this is probably the easiest way you could color your hair, because a lot of people, they have few gray hair and they think, what, I have only few gray hair, I don't want to do anything about it because I don't want to use a gray black color or whatever all over my head, and then I start getting more gray hair. So this is exactly perfect for you. So if you have a little bit here, a little bit there, you could just put in a little bit in a small bottle or something, shake it well and use it, and that would help solve your situation. I didn't have to worry about going out and, hey, I have a gray hair all over showing in the back or something. You don't have to worry about that. So hope this video was helpful to you. Please hit the like button and definitely check out my channel playlist. Thank you.